Imagine going to work tomorrow, and a robot is already doing your job. Not in the future, but right now. Artificial intelligence is changing the world very fast. Companies are now using AI to write, design, edit videos, answer customers, and even make business decisions. Some jobs are disappearing, and new jobs are being created. So in this video, we are going to look at the top AI tools that are replacing jobs and most importantly, how you can use these AI tools to make money instead of losing your job. Welcome to Tech Trek Sony, the channel where we explore powerful tech tools, AI, and online opportunities that can help you make money and work smarter. Let's get started. The first AI tool that is replacing jobs is AI writing tools. These tools can write articles, blog posts, emails, advertisements, YouTube scripts, and even books. Companies no longer need to hire many writers because AI can do the work in minutes. Jobs being replaced: content writers, copywriters, email marketers, bloggers. But here is the good news: if you learn how to use AI writing tools, you can start a writing business and make money online. The second AI tools are AI design tools. Today, AI can create logos, thumbnails, posters, flyers, and social media posts in seconds. Before, businesses had to hire graphic designers. Now they just type what they want and AI creates it instantly. Jobs being replaced: graphic designers, logo designers, thumbnail designers, illustrators. But if you learn how to use AI design tools, you can start a design business on Fiverr, Upwork, or social media. AI video tools are changing YouTube, movies, and content creation. AI can now edit videos automatically, add subtitles, remove background, create videos from text, create AI voiceovers. This means one person can now do the work of a full video production team. Jobs being replaced: video editors, animators, subtitle writers, voiceover artists. This is why faceless YouTube channels are growing very fast. Many companies are now using AI chatbots instead of customer service staff. When you chat with a company online, many times you are not talking to a human, you are talking to AI. AI chatbots work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and they don't need salary. Jobs being replaced: customer service agents, call center workers, online support staff. AI is also replacing office jobs. AI can now enter data, analyze data, create reports, manage schedules, read documents. Jobs being replaced: data entry clerks, office assistants, bookkeeping assistants, receptionists. AI is now entering professional jobs like law and healthcare. AI can review legal documents and detect diseases from medical scans faster than humans. Jobs being replaced: paralegals, legal assistants, medical lab analysts, radiologists. But AI will not fully replace doctors and lawyers, it will assist them. Here is the big truth: AI is not replacing people. People who use AI are replacing people who don't use AI. So the best thing you can do right now is to learn AI tools. Because in the future, the most valuable skill will be knowing how to use AI. If you want to be successful in the future, don't run away from AI, learn how to use it. AI is the new electricity. The people who learn it early will make the most money. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and comment. Which AI tool do you think will replace the most jobs? Follow Tech Trek Sony for more AI tools that can make you money. See you in the next video.